The 2005 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, power steering, air conditioning, front, cruise control, rear defrost, FWD, AM/FM stereo radio, child safety locks, CD player, bucket seats. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.